Hi guys, here we have a Trappex Centramag 2 filter which I fitted about 9 months ago. Time to give it a clean. First thing I've got to do is turn off the central heating. Then I've got to isolate the filter by turning off the isolation valves here, one at the top, one at the bottom. And then I'm just going to let the air out at the top. There's a bleed valve on the top. And then it's just a case of undoing the filter housing. So just undo this big nut on the top here, and with a bit of a force the filter should come out. I'm going to lift it out slowly because there's water inside the filter. That's why I put the bits of a rag around the side there, and here you can see it's collected some bits of debris. Let's give you another look here. That's what it's collected in the 9 months it's been on there. So I've just got to give this a clean. First thing I've got to do before cleaning it is take the magnet out. Just put that to one side and just wash it under the tap. See, just washing it here, just rinsing all the debris off it. And you do need a brush because some of the bits of magma are a bit stubborn. So I'm going to rinse it under the tap and brush it up at the same time. Just clean up the area a little bit. Then I'm just going to dry it off, and you see there's still bits of dirt on it. And that's the unit there, nice and clean. Just give you a little look at what it looked like when I took it out. And that's what it looks like before. And that's what it looks like now. So it's just a matter of refitting the filter. First thing, put the magnet back in. And once that's back in place, just a matter of popping the filter in. It's got a little notch on it, so it will only fit a certain way around. Just got to spin it around till it falls into its recess. There you go, it's in its recess there, and it's just a matter of putting the retaining nut back on. Screw that down and just tighten it up with the filter, and just make sure the bleed valve on the top is closed. I'll just leave the spanner up here. So I'm going to open the valves again, and then open both valves, and now I'm just going to let the air out, and I'll just leave the key there, and that's pretty much concluded. So it's just a matter of topping up the pressure in the heating system. As you can see, the pressure's dropped here. I'm going to set it to 1.5 bar. Just fill the system up. And that should pretty much do it. And that concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.